This video demonstrates how to create an assignment and enable Turnitin Similarity Report and online grading. Use Similarity Report to check learners' work for plagiarism. You can also use online grading to use Turnitin's assessment tools. In the content module where you want to create an assignment, click Create New Assignment. Complete the details for your assignments. If you plan to use Turnitin's online grading tools, click the Submission and Completion accordion. In the Allowable File Extensions dropdown, select Compatible with Turnitin. To enable Turnitin for your assignment, click the Evaluation and Feedback accordion. Click Manage Turnitin to open the Turnitin Integration Enablement dialog. Select Enable Similarity Report for this folder to enable plagiarism checking. If you want learners to see their similarity or plagiarism scores, select Allow learners to see similarity scores in their submission folder. Choose to automatically check all submissions or identify individual submissions for similarity checking. If you want to use Turnitin's online grading tools, select Enable Online Grading for this folder. You can choose to automatically or manually sync grades given in Turnitin's online grading suite as drafts in Brightspace. To view additional setup options for submissions and similarity checking, click More Options. When you are finished, click Save. Make your assignment visible to learners and click Save and Close. The learners see in the assignment details that it is Turnitin enabled.